Hi everyone, what I know this is an increasingly challenging time and I hope you are all well. We are all tremendously grateful to the people serving on the front lines of COVID-19 in essential services. Financial security is a top concern due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Millions of people filed for unemployment in the last month. Many people are concerned about how they will be able to pay their bills. Please follow these 5 steps in this video to reduce car insurance costs during COVID-19 crisis. As we are all in lockdown, the entire world, further acknowledging where else we can reduce the prices. First, avoid panic purchasing. Second, look at your budget from a holistic view. I think a lot of people don't incorporate car insurance into their entire budget. As we are not driving due to lockdown, job loss, school closings, college closings, and many more reasons, but rather think of it as a separate entity and make wise decisions. Disclaimer, I suggest that before deciding to make any changes to your car insurance, contact your insurance company to discuss other options, such as change the coverage or payment plans. What I learned, the best insurance agents are the ones who ask how your situation has changed and can help you choose the best options for your budget. Hey friends, you can reduce car insurance costs by following these 5 steps. Step 1, if you or your family have more than one vehicle, and you are not a frontline worker or you have a college high school kid, do not require to drive due to closings or only need to drive to get basic need. Think to keep one car with full coverage. I request again, don't consider canceling your car insurance altogether, which could be a costly mistake that could expose you to your serious financial and legal consequence. Step 2, evaluate which car has high premium and consider keeping that under parking insurance as it lowers your cost further down. And also make sure if your teenage kids are not added to this car, please consider adding them. Step 3, even for the vehicle that you kept full coverage to support for the basic need, change the car information. This is another way, for example, changing from 12,000 miles per year to 5,000 miles would also add additional savings to your cost. Step 4, lower the coverage to a parking or storage insurance. You can also call it as comprehensive coverage. If you have the mobile app installed for the insurance, the policy can be taken care from there. But if you have any question, please do call your insurance agent. If you do not have a mobile app, call your insurance company to discuss and request to lower the coverage for additional vehicles. Additional information, if you have a lease vehicle, they may ask, have you notified financing company? But based on my experience, it's a decision between you and your insurance company as long as you keep the vehicle in a safe place. I'm sure discounts offered by these companies or help reducing costs for frontline workers who are still driving for essential needs. But for many others, if you're not driving or you have a kid not going to college or school due to closure, consider lower the coverage to reduce the cost. So last step of the process, you can request for the updated policy renewal price so you can see how much it's been changed saved for you on a semi-annual premium. If you feel comfortable, go ahead and confirm the change. Ask for the policy declaration document sent through an email instead of mailing so you can minimize the spread of the virus. I also noticed an increase in my premium cost when my policy was due for renewal April 1st. So please be check on yours and be alert. Moral of the story, for 2 of my vehicles, instead of paying $1,200, I certainly reduced the cost by $650 in total savings for semi-annual premium. Unfortunately, my insurance company not agreed to backdate the price to my initial reported date, that is when I call in March. So please take the necessary action immediately. When the operations are resumed in your state and if you plan to drive the vehicle, please call your insurance and update the coverage. The amount you saved on your car insurance premium can be used in many ways. Here are a few thoughts. You can donate to non-profit organizations, or you can pay your car monthly lease premiums, which indeed we need to keep our vehicles. Also help you take care of rising medical, electricity, gas, water, and other bills. Or if you want to stay home and would like to order the basic needs through online, do that so that you can afford some delivery charges, tips. It also helps others who are working hard, providing what we need. Again, my intent is not to point at or hurt any organization during these hard circumstances. This is just an initiative I took to share with others, which may help some extent, minimizing their financial burden during the hard days. I also thank my crew for providing their part of help in art, editing, videography, and video. Most importantly, stay home, stay safe and healthy. Continue to take the preventive measures recommended by CDC and WHO. I thank you all. God bless all of us. If you think this is a valuable resource, please like, comment, and if you think your friends or friends network would find this useful, please share it with them. I would appreciate. Thank you all for watching this video. If you have any question, please revisit or pause on the slide. That would help you to go through more detailed information. Thanks again. Take care. Stay safe.